let's make our personalized beaded keychain. So for this, you're going to need your alphabet beads, your colorful beads, your star and star beads, and your elastic cords with your keychain. So you're going to take your tape measure and you're going to measure 15, even though I did 12 here, but you're going to measure 15. Oh yeah, I actually did 14, but you're going to measure 15, and once you have that, you cut it. Then you take your cord and put it inside your chain like so, and you're going to loop it in, just like putting it back into it, just like that. That's how you loop it in. And once you have that, you can use a tape to just tape down the key chain holder so it doesn't move around, and you can also walk with it like this. So you're going to get out your beads. Again, we're using the star and the heart shaped beads and your colorful beads. Once you have that, you see that's me sorting mine. Then I got out my alphabet beads, spelling out my name, Kenny. So you're going to do the same for yours, and you're going to take one part of the cord and you start beading. So one part of the cord, and you start beading your hearts and star shape. So I'm just putting it in. I'm not doing it in any form of order. I'm just, putting everything in it like that. Just put your beads in it. You keep going until you get to your desired length, just like that. So for this first part, you're only going to put your star and heart shaped beads. Once you're done, you're going to tuck the end of your cord into the bead like that, just to secure it. You can do it 2 times. Again, this is just for you to secure it. I'm going to show you again. You take the end of your cord and put it inside the bead. You tighten it. That's how you do the very first part. Just put it in a tidy hands. This is so that your beads does not fall off. So that's that. Then for the second part, this is where we're going to be putting our name. So you bead a couple of beads. You put in a couple of beads into the second elastic cord string, whatever you call it, and you start putting your name. Once you get your desired length, then you start putting your name beads. So this is me spelling out my name. Let's see, I already have Kenny, and I will bead the remaining part just so that I can get the same length with the other bead. So I'm showing you're going to have the same length with the first piece that you did. Can you see me measuring, making sure that I have the same length? You just need a couple of more beads. And now that I have the same length, the hole in my colorful beads is too wide, so I'm going to end with one of my star shaped beads. So you put that in again, just like we did the first time. You're going to just tuck it in to the bead and you tie it. So again, so that it doesn't fall off. Make sure you tie it very well. Tie a couple of times just to secure the hands and so that it doesn't fall off. Once you have that, you then cut out the excess string or cord, and you've made yourself your personalized keychain, name keychain. See you in the next one.